Hello, you're watching the business headlines on HW News with me, Ali Azhar. Possibly the country's most famous brothers, the Ambani brothers, Mr. Mukesh and Anil Ambani, have decided to sell an asset each in their respective companies. The Mukesh Ambani-led Reliance Industries Ltd and the Anil Ambani-led Reliance Infrastructure Ltd. However, the sale of these assets have nothing to do with each other's companies and are going to be done for very different reasons. Beginning with the older brother. Canadian investor Brookfiled Asset Management Company, which has significant investments in renewable power, among others, is set to acquire the East-West pipeline, earlier known as Reliance Gas Transportation Infrastructure, for 13,000 crores. The Reliance Industries Ltd owned 1400-kilometer pipeline transports natural gas, which is widely used in generating electricity and for fueling massive power plants. The pipeline connects Kakinada on the eastern Andhra coach to Bharuch in Gujarat on the western coach and was built to transport natural gas produced by RIL and British Petroleum in the Krishna Godavari basin off the east coast to western India. Reliance Industries has massive blocks in the KG basin from which it transports this natural gas, and the pipeline is also connected to other operators like Gas Authority Limited India, which is GAIL, and Gujarat State Petronet for delivery of gas to other parts of India. However, owing to a drop in natural gas production, the pipeline was reportedly operating at only 5% of its total capacity and was running in losses. For financial year 2018, the total revenue generated by it was 884 crore rupees and it racked up a net loss of 715 crores. Reliance has a total outstanding debt of 13,715 crores against this project. What is pegged to be a game changer is the fact that three major projects are expected to begin in the KG Basin belt, which together have around 3 trillion cubic feet of discovered gas resources, where companies are investing about 40,000 crore rupees. And this can change the fortunes of the pipeline operator. The deal is structured in such a way that Reliance will be entitled to transport a certain amount of gas against any outstanding unutilized capacity payments and will be entitled to participate in the net earnings of the pipeline. Add to that, Reliance will also get the right to buy back the pipeline at the end of 20 years for a value of 50 crores. While the monetizing of Mukesh Ambani's pipeline project seems to be a good business decision, younger brother Anil Ambani's asset sale is one that is brought about by need. The Anil Ambani-led Reliance Infrastructure or R-Infra has entered into a binding agreement with Singapore-based Cube Highways and Infrastructure for sale of 100% stake in the Delhi Agra Toll Road. The total proceeds expected from this deal is little over 3,600 crores, roughly 517 million, and in addition, arbitration claims pending with National Highway Authority of India to the tune of 1200 crore rupees for the project, if won, will flow directly to Reliance Infrastructure. R-Infra will utilize the proceeds of this transaction entirely to reduce its debt, which will be slashed by 25% to less than 5,000 crores. The developer has a road portfolio of around 11 assets, including the Delhi Agra project, which it is looking to divest in line with its strategy to monetize all non-core businesses. Shares of R-Infra slipped nearly 4% intraday after this announcement and has been in the red ever since, till the close of today's trade as well. Interbrand, the world's leading brand consultancy, has come out with its 6th annual Most Valuable Indian Brands list for 2019. The list names Tata, Reliance and Airtel as the 3 most valuable Indian brands of 2019. The combined value of the top 40 brands was 5,03,000 crores or 5.03 trillion rupees, which represents a 5.2% growth in the value over the previous year. Financial services and automotive sectors contributed the most with 27% and 13% of value respectively in this year's top 40. Ever since the inception of these rankings, Tata has continued to hold the top position in the best Indian brands table. However, Tata's brand grew by a modest 6.5%, contributed significantly by its flagship tech services business TCS. Reliance, after taking over the number 2 spot from Airtel last year, consolidated itself at the second place with an increase in brand value of 12%, phenomenally bolstered by the growth of Jio. The rankings are given based on 3 parameters: financial performance, the role the brand plays in influencing customer choice, and the brand's ability to command a premium price. Thank you for watching HW News. This is me signing off. Have a great day.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.